morning, student. In previous lecture, work and energy, we see what is work and the amount of work done. Next point is the unit of work. You know that two types of unit. One is SI unit and second type is CJS unit. You know the formula of work. Work is the product of force and displacements. म्हणजे W बरोबर Fs. W बरोबर Fs. F means force. S for displacement. SI unit of force is N means Newton. Okay. And displacement. SI unit of displacement is meter. Therefore, the SI unit of work is Newton meter. One Newton meter, that is a joule. Newton meter लाच काय म्हणतात joule. मग unit of work, SI unit of work is joule. Joule is. What is 1 joule? 1 joule means if a force of 1 Newton displaces. Force किती displaces करतो? 1 Newton displaces. The object 1 meter काय होत असतं? In the direction of force. The amount of work done is 1 joule. This is the definition of 1 joule. If the force of 1 Newton, if the force of 1 Newton displaces object 1 meter in the direction of the force, the amount of work done is 1 joule. Therefore, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Similarly, in CJS, unit of force is dyne. त्याचा युनिट काय आहे? डाइन. SI युनिट फोर्स काय आहे? न्यूटन आहे. तर CJS काय? डाइन. आता डिस्प्लेसमेंट, युनिट ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट सेंटीमीटर. SI युनिट काय आहे? मीटर आहे. आणि CJS काय? सेंटीमीटर. Therefore, thus the unit of work done is dyne centimeter. SI युनिट काय होतं असतं? न्यूटन मीटर म्हणजे जूल होतं असतं. इथे काय होतं? डाइन सेंटीमीटर. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द आर्क. मग व्हॉट इज आर्क? 1 arc, if a force is इथे 1 dyne displaces object 1 centimeter in the direction of the force, the amount of work done is 1 arc. That is the definition of arc. Therefore, 1 arc is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. And CJS मध्ये काय होतं? 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Then, what is the relation between the joule and arc? Relation between joule and arc. Write down the formula first. Force is the product of F and S. This work is the product of force and displacement. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 न्यूटन म्हणजेच किती? 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter, 10 square centimeter. Now substitute this. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1 Newton is equal to आपण किती घेतले? 10 raised to 5 dyne into 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter. मग हे 5 प्लस हे 2 7 झाले. 10 raised to किती झाले? 7 काय झाले? डाइन सेंटीमीटर. मग दॅट इज इक्वल 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 arc. This is the relation between the joule and 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 arc. This is the relation between joule and arc. Simple. In exam मध्ये SI युनिट विचारले जातात किंवा CJS युनिट. व्हॉट इज 1 डाइन? व्हॉट 1 डाइन म्हणजे काय? देन व्हॉट इज 1 जूल, 1 आर्क, हे सुद्धा परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलं.